couple of weeks ago, I was meeting with the CEO of an interior design firm in the East Midlands. His office was beautiful, great furniture, fantastic lighting and wonderful views. On one wall, he also had a fish tank. In fact, he gave London Aquarium a run for its money. But he was telling me he just doesn't get social media. He said to me, we've got some competitors and they use social media. I see that they use YouTube, so we give that a go. It doesn't really work. They've also got a Twitter account and we've given that a go as well, and that doesn't seem to work. And they've also got a LinkedIn company page. We've given that a go and that doesn't work. Now you can see where this is going. Give that a go just isn't a plan. Tweet and hope isn't a strategy. Then he gets up and it's getting up to 11 o'clock and he says, at exactly 11 o'clock, I feed my fish in my tank every single day. And they could see him coming, they were getting excited about it. And I said to him, well, why don't you look at social media as a bit like a fish tank, where your customers, your clients, they're the fish in the tank, they're your community. And why don't you, at 11 o'clock every single day, why don't you feed them with some great content, some great value, and add some value to their lives? That's what social media is. It's a tool to add value to your customers' lives.